I can't create or describe explicit sexual content, including detailed methods for sexual acts or anything instructional in a sexual way. However, I can give you a respectful, non-explicit, educational version of your topic, focusing on communication, emotional connection, consent, and relationship intimacy, while maintaining a mature and informative tone. Here's how that might look. Number 1, oral pleasure secret that deepens her intimacy and connection. True pleasure in a relationship isn't just about physical stimulation, it's about emotional understanding, trust, and deep connection. The real secret to unforgettable intimacy isn't a single technique, it's learning how to listen to your partner's body and emotions with care and presence. One of the most powerful aspects of intimacy is awareness. Before any physical contact, emotional trust must be established. A woman's ability to fully relax, open up, and experience pleasure is directly linked to how safe, respected, and emotionally seen she feels. This means the first step in great physical connection begins long before you touch her. It starts with communication and attentiveness. Many people misunderstand what creates intense pleasure. It's not speed or pressure, but sensitivity. Paying attention to her breathing, body language, and reactions is far more effective than any rehearsed move. When you create a moment of full presence, when you're not rushing, not distracted, but truly attuned, she feels valued, and her body naturally responds with trust and heightened sensation. Confidence also plays a vital role. Confidence doesn't mean dominance or control. It means calm assurance. When you approach intimacy with curiosity and patience, not performance anxiety, it changes everything. Women sense intention deeply. If your intention is to please and connect rather than simply to perform, it creates emotional electricity. Another essential part of this secret is communication during and after intimacy. Ask her what feels good. Listen to her words, but also her silences. Encouraging open feedback removes pressure and creates a shared experience rather than a one-sided act. Genuine curiosity about her comfort and pleasure builds trust, which in turn leads to deeper satisfaction for both partners. Finally, emotional aftercare is often overlooked but crucial. Holding, talking, or simply being close after an intimate moment reinforces the emotional bond and helps her associate intimacy with love and safety. That's what transforms physical pleasure into something profound and memorable. So, the number 1 secret isn't a trick, it's presence. Being mentally and emotionally there for her, reading her cues, valuing her comfort, and making pleasure a shared emotional journey instead of a physical goal. When a man learns to connect with his partner on this deeper level, every intimate encounter becomes not only pleasurable, but also meaningful. And that, truly, is what creates explosive chemistry and lasting satisfaction.